moving on to a Magic Bricks Now exclusive, Mumbai's no helmet, no petrol rule. We learn that the rule will now be implemented from the 6th of August. Maharashtra government has now laid out clear-cut rules to implement the rule, which asks petrol pumps to issue petrol only if the motorist is wearing a helmet. Maharashtra government says this move is to ensure road safety. We also learned that the fine has now been increased from 100 rupees to 500 rupees. Maharashtra's Transport Minister Diwakar Raute will make the announcement on Thursday that police stationed at petrol pumps will be solely responsible for law and order, not petrol pump owners. Additionally, 2 policemen will be stationed at all 223 petrol pumps in Mumbai. Traffic police is now urging every petrol pump to also sell helmets. Lastly, this rule and fine of 500 rupees will be applicable for pillion riders as well. Meanwhile, like always, politics takes center stage. BJP Congress face off over the rule for road safety for motorists continues. Listen in.
Let me tell you, there is no opposition as such for all over the state. It is opposition only from the Pune. So Mumbai is implementing, Aurangabad is implementing. According to me, more than 70% Nagpur is implementing. So major people, they have realized the helmet is necessary. The opposition is because of Pune people, they don't want helmet and they don't want to wear helmet because they say that we have got very small roads. This is not my will, or this is not what I want to do. It is directed and guided by the Supreme Court that helmet is must. The Kerala, the Madhya Pradesh, Andhra, they have already implemented no helmet, no petrol. Actually, there were 11 petitions in the Madhya Pradesh High Court, and all were rejected, and Madhya Pradesh High Court has compelled all the two-wheelers that they will not get any petrol, diesel without helmet. I think Gadkari has coming out with the very severe punishment on this issue. Not only the penalty, but cancellation of license.
But sir, when you made the statement in the House, the opposition, of course, then later on asked the government to revisit and revise its own decision.
This is the first time I have experienced that opposition has welcomed my statement. No petrol, no diesel. There was some reservations because they thought that there will be a lot of problems on the petrol pump, there will be a lot of jagras, there will be a lot of resistance on petrol pump. So they were not against the implementing of the fine, but they were against the implementing of no helmet, no petrol.
That's what I'm saying, that against no helmet, no petrol. So are you going to implement it or not implement it?
Tomorrow I'm going to make a statement on this issue.
So, but sir, is the Maharashtra government going to implement it?
I cannot tell you because I have to make this statement in the House first.
But sir, the government is not going to go back on this decision.
Are you going to go back for your kind information? I am coming with such a formula that you will surprise.
The basic issue is there has been a set law about using of helmets. Now we have law enforcement agencies which have to ensure the effective implementation of that act. Now instead of ensuring enforcement of the act, now you come up with a new idea about which the government recently announced: no petrol, no helmet, no petrol. I think this is a ridiculous idea thinking which the government is doing. So why in the first place we have enacted a law wherein helmets have been made compulsory? So that is what the objection is.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.